Hello, SAP learner guys. Good morning. Today our lesson from Unit 1 is that how validating Clean Core Workstream. In this lesson, we will learn that what is the method of validation in Clean Core regarding workstream. What are the workstream? In new implementation conversion, system conversion, as we studied before in lesson number 2 or 3, there are 4 kind of workstream: evaluate, adopt, review, optimize. So these 4 work stream is happening or occurred or being functional during the new implementation system conversion. So how can we validate these kind of work stream? Number 1, custom code ABAP culminator to code on migration app. So there are 2 kind of tool: ABAP culminator, call and code migration app. These are used for custom code evaluations. This is the first kind of migration work stream we are checking here. Second one, adopt custom code using quick fix ABAP development tools for Eclipse. This one work stream, here we are using ABAP culminator and code migration app. Call and code migration app. These are 2 tools for custom code evaluation. And second one, adopt custom code, we are using quick fix, which is found in Eclipse ACT, ABAP culminator, ABAP development tool. This is the Eclipse tool, provide quick fix tool for adopt custom code. This was second work stream. Third one, review, legacy modification to determine users that are obsolete. Those exits or extensions obsolete, unused, irrelevant, those will be deleted and removed after reviewing legacy modification and determination. This is the third one work stream. Fourth one work stream, optimize, all code will be determined after conversion in ABAP tools such as SQL Monitor, SQL Trace and Performance Monitor. This is very important in optimization. Fourth one work stream, that we are using 3 kind of tool: SQL Monitor, SQL Trace and Performance Monitor. So this is the fourth one work stream. We can validate by these tools: first, custom code ABAP culminator plus migration app; second one, by ABAP development tools quick fix; third one, by obsolete determined. By review work stream, we can remove unused, irrelevant and obsolete work stream. So fourth one, optimize, all code that will be retained, after conversion, after migration in ABAP tools. It means tools SQL Monitor, SQL Trace, and Performance Monitor. This is the main object and main concept of this lesson. What is workstream? Which tool we are utilizing or SAP are utilized to determine, to validate these workstream, evaluate, adopt, review, and optimize. So don't worry, I give you clear, neat and clean concept by this lesson, by this tutorial, by this lecture, because I am SAP certified full stack developer. What is my responsibility? To teach you, to guide you in easy words, in easy concept, super simple way I want to teach you. If you want to go in detail, go to saplearninghub.com and you will find the free notes, free course and free total chapters, and you can study from there. And what is my duty? I want to make simple your learning. Best of luck. That's all.